Hello everyone, welcome to KG Solution. This video is related to the biotechnology questions. MCQs on biotechnology and genetic engineering is very useful for all the competitive exams and also for NEET exam. First question, the industrial production of enzymes, vitamins, vaccines and biofertilizer are the products of microbiology, genetics, biotechnology, none of this. The answer is biotechnology. BT stands for biotechnology, biotrained, Bacillus thuringiensis, none of the above. BT stands for Bacillus thuringiensis, Bacillus thuringiensis. Biotechnology is the application of technology to study about the plants, animals, living things, non-living things. Biotechnology is the application of technology to study about the living things, DNA fingerprinting was developed by Hargobind Khurana, Frederick Sanger, Alec Jeffrey, Watson. DNA fingerprinting was developed by Alec Jeffrey. What leads to the development of biotechnology industry? Genetic engineering, animal breeding, discovery of cells, a new recombinant DNA technique. What leads to the development of biotechnology industry? A new recombinant DNA technique. Next question. Genetic engineering was discovered by James Watson, Stanley N. Cohen and Herbert W. Boyer. Stanley N. Cohen and Watson, Herbert Boyer. The answer is Stanley N. Cohen and Herbert W. Boyer. Next question. Which of the following is not an example of genetic engineering? Gene isolation, molecular biology, gene modification develops transgenes. Which of the following is not an example of genetic engineering? Answer for this question is molecular biology. First artificial gene was discovered by or synthesized by Frederick Sanger, Hargobind Khurana, James Watson, Charles Darwin. The first artificial gene was discovered by Hargobind Khurana. Hargobind Khurana is the answer. Next question. Which of these was most widely used in genetic engineering? Lysosome, ribosome, mitochondria, plasmid. Which of these was most widely used in genetic engineering? The answer is plasmid. Golden rice is a transgenic crop, helps to increase in the yield, alleviation of vitamin A deficiency, pest resistant, none of the above. The answer is alleviation of vitamin A deficiency. Golden rice contain beta carotene, is an important source of vitamin A. The first transgenic plant to be produced was cotton, orange, rice, tobacco. The first transgenic plant to be produced was tobacco. The PCR technique was developed by Frederick Sanger, Hargobind Khurana, Alec Jeffrey, Kary Mullis. PCR technique was developed by Kary Mullis. Move on to next question. Two bacteria widely used in genetic engineering are Rhizobium and Acetobacter, Rhizobium and Diplococcus, Rhizobium and E. coli, Agrobacterium and Escherichia coli. The answer for this question was Agrobacterium and Escherichia coli. Which of the following enzyme is used to cut DNA molecule internally? Restriction endonuclease, restriction exonuclease, ligases, restriction enzymes. The enzyme that is used to cut DNA molecule internally is the restriction endonuclease. Restriction endonuclease is the answer. Gene is the segment of. Options are RNA, DNA or RNA, DNA, DNA and RNA. The answer for this question is DNA. DNA is the answer. Next question. DNA was found in chromosomes, mitochondria, plastid, all the above. DNA was found in chromosome, mitochondria, plastid, all the above. The answer for this question is all the above. DNA was found in chromosome, mitochondria and plastid. The two strands of DNA are held together by bond of hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon. The two strands of DNA are held together by bond of hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon. The answer is hydrogen. The two strands of DNA are held together by bond of hydrogen. Human insulin is commercially produced from a transgenic species of Mycobacterium, Rhizobium, Escherichia, none of the above. Human insulin is commercially produced from a transgenic species of. Answer for this question is Escherichia coli. E. coli from a bacteria Escherichia. Human insulin is commercially produced from a transgenic species of Escherichia. Application of biotechnology procedure in medical process is classified as white biotechnology, blue biotechnology, red biotechnology or the green biotechnology. The answer for this question is red biotechnology. Red biotechnology is the answer. White biotechnology is for the entire biotechnology field. We call it as white biotechnology. That means it is industrial purpose. And for the green biotechnology, it is agricultural related. Blue biotechnology, it is related to marine and freshwater. So marine and freshwater, we call it as blue biotechnology. Red is for the pharmaceutical and green is for agriculture. White is for the entire biotechnology, industrial purpose. So the next question. Process of using natural bacteria in mining industry is biogenomics, biodegradation, bioremediation, bioleaching. The process of using natural bacteria in mining industry, the answer for this question is bioleaching. The process of using natural bacteria in mining industry, it is bioleaching. Next question. In bacteria, a small circle of DNA found outside the main chromosome is called as epitome, genetic fingerprint, plasmid, none of the above. The options are epitome, genetic fingerprint, plasmid, none of the above. In bacteria, a small circle of DNA found outside the main chromosome, that we call it as plasmid. Plasmid. In India, genetically modified brinjal was produced for to make pest resistant, to make more yield, to make drought resistant, to increase mineral level. The answer for this question was to make pest resistant. India, genetically modified brinjal was produced for to make the pest resistant, and first genetically modified crop in India was the BT cotton. BT cotton was the first genetically modified crop in India, that is commercialized in India was BT cotton. Next question. The process of using microorganisms to digest harmful contaminants and turn them into non-toxic compounds are biocleaning, bioleaching, bioremediation, none of the above. The process of using microorganisms to digest harmful contaminants and turn them into non-toxic compounds is bioremediation. Bioremediation is the process. The first genetically modified food crop in the world was brinjal, potato, rice, flower saver, it's a tomato. The first genetically modified food crop was flower saver tomato. First genetically modified food crop was flower saver tomato. Move on to the next question. First use of pure microbiological process in industrial procedure was made by Alexander Fleming, Charles Darwin, James Weismann, James Watson. The first use of pure microbiological process in an industrial procedure was made by James Weismann in 1917. James Weismann in 1917. The maximum number of existing transgenic animal is of mice, cow, sheep, fish. The maximum number of existing transgenic animal is of mice. The first transgenic animal is also mouse, and it is created by Rudolf Jenisch in 1974. In history of biology, Human Genome Project led to the development of bioinformatics, biotechnology, biomonitoring, biosystematic. In the history of biology, Human Genome Project led to the development of bioinformatics. Bioinformatics is the answer. Restriction enzyme was first discovered by Alexander Fleming, Smith and Nathan and Arbor, James Watson. The restriction enzyme was first discovered by Smith, Nathan and Arbor. Smith, Nathan and Arbor. Transgenic plants are developed by introducing foreign genes, introducing gene mutation, deleting certain chromosomes, none of the above. The transgenic plants are developed by introducing foreign genes. Introducing foreign genes. Transgene means foreign genes. Transgenic plants are developed by introducing foreign genes. Next question. Restriction enzymes are used in genetic engineering because they cut DNA at variable sites, they can join DNA fragments, they cut DNA at specific base sequence, they are proteolytic enzymes which degrade harmful proteins. The restriction enzymes are used in genetic engineering because they cut DNA at specific base sequence. They cut DNA at specific base sequence. Next question. Chemical knives or molecular scissors of DNA are transcriptase, ligases, polymerases, restriction endonucleases. Chemical knives or molecular scissors of DNA are restriction endonucleases. Restriction endonucleases. Next question. Plasmids are used in genetic engineering because they are able to replicate, easily available, able to integrate, none of the above. Plasmids are used in genetic engineering because they are able to replicate. They are able to replicate. Which bacterium is called natural genetic engineer? Yeast, Escherichia coli, Agrobacterium tumefaciens, Mycoplasma. Which bacterium is called as natural genetic engineer? It is Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Humulin is human insulin, powerful antibiotic, new enzyme, none of the above. Humulin is human insulin, powerful antibiotic, no enzyme, none of the above. Humulin is a human insulin. Humulin is a human insulin. So, I hope you all understood the few questions from biotechnology. So, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.